Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
I'd like to go back to my proclamation. I cannot, I see why I should continue talking with them. And they're always drum beating about war. Well, go ahead. If you have been fighting for 50 years, this insurgency of the communists, you want to fight another 50 years? Fine. We have conceded to, I have ordered the release of about 30, 40 communist leaders from Muntinlupa. Now, I will consider the movement of the Communist Party of the Philippines as a terrorist group. And I am ordering those I have released temporarily to surrender or face, again, punitive actions. You have to go back where you belong. I released you because I thought it might help. Eh kung hindi makatulong, then you are undercutting me before the eyes of the Filipino people. You must be joking. You must be joking because I will go after you. And I do not really care whatever happens thereafter. And also, we have to be prepared. I said, in my time, you guys will have the best deal. The communists threatening us, then here it comes the terrorism. That would keep us busy. That's what I'd like to remind you about. We are not over the hump yet. They will strike again, the terrorists. There will be virulent confrontations between the NPAs. Be prepared for that. But sabi ko, I will not allow a weak military or police. I will buy all the things that you would need, the tools that you have to use. I am not buying any more second hands, the hand-me-down thing. It's either I buy new ones, brand new, or I'll just have to wait for the money. But there are countries who are really bent on helping us also. So in the next few months, the guys behind me will be very busy. Some of them will have to go to the places that I would want to establish a facility for credit. And I will buy you the arms. I need to replace the firepower that you have. And you will have it. Do not be afraid to die. All of us will die anyhow. But take comfort that we in government have prepared for these eventualities. Your family will be protected. Lahat ng nabiyuda pag umpisa ng gera, pati police, the widows are working. They are now, almost all the widows are working in good. I do not want to, it gives a bad taste in the mouth to say this. But your children will be protected. We will assume the responsibility. And that is why I want more money for you. Because whether you retire good or you die early, alam mo, anak ng mga sundalo, hanggang dyan lang. They cannot hope to be doctor, lawyers because of the long years and considering the expense. But if I give you those prime lands and you make something with your good sense, you will, parintahan mo lang yung lupa. Just what like yung Bonifacio ngayon. But that money is no longer there. I am not blaming everybody. But same arrangement, pero dito inyo na, bigay ko na kaagad. So it would be a trust fund until such time that Dominguez can work out something. Sabi niya, small, separate natin itong sundalo sa GSIS. Separate naman talaga yan But that institution will take care of how to work. Para naman yung mga anak ninyo, at saka yung mga bright, gustong mag-doktor, aabot pa. Gustong mag-abogado, abot pa. That is a good 8 to 10 years. Pati abogado, 4 years AB, then sa law, 4 years, then 1 year waiting the bar. And preparing yourself to hang yourself under the tree because you failed. Hindi basta-basta. Sus Mario Joseph, after 10 years, babagsak ka, let's. Yun na lang. But I promise you the continuity of life. You know, there's a primordial thing there. It's not because you die or live. But if you have a married daughter or wife, you have a wife and married, my daughter or son ngayon, those are your connections to eternity. 100 years from now, I don't know what will happen to this camp. But we will see each other, although we do not know each other. Yung anak mong lalaki, anak mong babae will bear a child. Lalo na sundalo, minsan, ilang anak mo? 6. 6? Sabi ko doon huwag mo nang palabasin ito sa kampo. Gawin mo na yung gwardiya dyan sa Tigalista. 6. Kaya gano'n, yung anak mo, aanak yan. And your son will bear a son or daughter. Does not really matter in the name. What's in the name anyway? Tapos, future, yung anak mo maging lolo, and for all time, the continuity, that is, I said, the primordial thing inside your brain. And all of us. So I know your problem. First of all, it's really family. Then, you go out, and do you have the equipments, and whether it is sufficient or not. Yan ang trabaho ko, to see to it that you are sufficiently provided with enough tools to fight the war. That you can be as your own. Your 23 attack helicopters, ewan ko kung bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa. Maybe huminto yung putang ng... Well, I've been waiting for it. Hurry up, where's the helicopters? Because I want you to be prepared if there is another offensive, either from the Communist Party, the NPAs, or the terrorism. But I will never, never allow them to. It's not in our system to allow them just to do their thing. Maybe I can promise them that what they do to the Filipino, I will do it to them. Ganyan lang yan. No such thing as hard and fast rules for me. You do what you want, and in return, I'll return the favor. Exactly the same, the one that you give me. And that is my assurance to the nation. The interventions that I have made after the battle, and I just released 500 million for interventions. And I said, you know how the bureaucratic grid works. May mga medisina kailangan ganun. And I have also ordered government to buy only the best sa prosthetics. Sabi ko yung titanium, and work hard so that they can run again, so they can go back to the mountains or in the urban areas where we will fight. Okay, si Blade Runner, tumatakbo. Kaya lang, binaril niya yung magandang uyab niya. Gago. Sayang. African guy, kaganda ng nandiyan na sa kanya. Walang pa ang ulol. Malakas tumakbo. Winner of contests. And you have a girlfriend as beautiful as... he kills her. Do not follow them. Stick to the beautiful things in life. But you will never be wanting, police and military. I said, I just released, then I'm looking for, I have a proposal. Might take long po dito, but I will give you back your camps. I will surrender it to you, but do not sell it. I will only authorize you to lease it. Ngayon, kung you can have a common ground there somewhere in a different commands, pag nilease ninyo yan, billion yan. Then, Sonny Dominguez, the finance secretary, says that he will not, it will not work except na magtayo kayo ng sariling GSIS ninyo. Lahat ng pera na kikita doon sa lupa ninyo, ilagay ninyo doon. At is only good for benefits, sakit, maghiram ng pera para magbahay, sending your children to school.